Hello everyone, welcome to Intel Investors, and in this video let's go over the average true range calculation using Excel. Now as you can see, I already calculated everything beforehand, and for the purpose of this video I'm gonna do it all over again. Alright, so the first method, as you can see, there's three methods to calculate the ATR. The first method is the current high minus current low. Method 2 is the current high minus previous close. Method 3 is the current low minus the previous close. Okay, and whichever is the highest among the three calculations will be our true range. Okay, and we'll average that out for 14 days. We can use a weighting factor, or we can just simply get the average of 14 days. Alright, so this is the price of the euro dollar, 3 months prices. Okay, so let's go over to the first method. So it's current high minus current low. And one thing to note that we have to use the absolute value. Right, so I'm going to use this formula here. Right, there you go, and we copy it all down to the very last price. There you go. And here it's current, so we're going to start right here because it's going to account for the previous close, which unfortunately we don't have for this data yet, right? So we start from here. The current high, which is this, minus the previous close, right? Again, we have to use the absolute value. There you go. Copy it all down. Method 3, the current low. Hang on, let's use the absolute value now. Okay. Current low minus the previous close. And then for the true range, we're going to use the max formula to get the maximum number. And that's what we'll use for the true range. Okay. Copy it all down once again. And there you go. And we just need to get the average, the 14 days. So we're going to start from here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14-day prices. Okay. So that's going to be our ATR. Now, one thing you can also do is you can use a weighting factor to put more significance on the latest data. You know, that's another option for you to do, and that's exactly what J. Wells Wilder used in his methods. All right, but for the purpose of just this example or video, I just use a simple average formula to get the ATR, and that's the value that we have here. All right, so there you go. Thank you for watching.